Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to create candy stripe bracelet using neon colors. So I will use some cord with the length of about 60 inches, and as you can see here I have folded the cords to create a loop, and the first step is to make the loop at the end of the bracelet. I will make an overhand knot this way. So this will be the knot of our bracelet, at the end of our bracelet. I will take the clamp and grab our cords this way, and in order to create the candy stripe bracelet I will order the yarn in the same using the same order of colors. So as you can see I have red, green, blue, red, green, blue, and I will start making forward knots. In order to make a forward knot I will create a 4 out of the yarn. As you can see, this is the 4, and now I will take the end of my pink yarn, put it through the loop of the 4 and create a knot like this. And now I will repeat the same step, create a 4 and put the pink yarn through the loop of my 4, and I have created the first forward knot. It is called a forward knot because the yarn goes forward, so from here it goes here and it will stop here at the end. Now I have the two yarns, the pink yarn and the blue yarn. Again I will make a forward knot. I will create the 4 here and I will put the pink yarn through the loop of the 4 like this. So I'll make one knot and another knot, and my pink yarn goes forward from here to here. So it started here, it got here, and now it is here. And now we have the 2 pink yarns. Again I create a forward knot, 1 and 2 this way. I will take the green yarn and create a forward knot, 1 and 2 this way, and the last yarn, the blue yarn, a forward knot, 1 and 2 this way. And as you can see I created the first stripe, and the pink yarn, which was initially on this side, went forward and is now here. Again, when you make a candy stripe bracelet, it is very important to be attentive at the order of your yarns, because if by mistake you switch 2 of the yarns, the order of your stripes will also be switched. And now I will take the green yarn and do the same steps to create a green stripe. So I make one knot, the second knot, and my green yarn moved from here to here, so it went forward with the pink yarn. One knot, the second knot, and I made another forward knot with the green yarn. One, two, with the blue yarn. One, two, and with the pink yarn. One, two, this way. And now our green yarn, which was initially here, went forward and is now here at the end. And we have a green stripe. Now again I will order the yarns lest the stripes get switched. And now I will use the last yarn, the blue yarn, and I make the forward knot. So one knot, a second knot with the green yarn, one knot, the second knot, one knot, the second knot, and now our blue yarn, which was initially here, went forward and is here at the end. So as you can see, we have created 3 stripes in 3 colors. And now we shall create again a pink stripe, then a green one, then a blue one, using these yarns in the same order and using the same rules that I have explained to you so far. So let's continue making the stripes until we finish the bracelet, and then I will show you how to close the bracelet. And now we have reached the end of the bracelet, and I can create the tie of the bracelet in order to close it. So I will take the yarns and I will start braiding the bracelet. So I will take the green yarn from the margin and I will put the green yarn parallel with the other green yarn here. Now I will put the pink yarn in this other direction, parallel with the other pink yarn here, like this. Now I will take the blue yarn from the margin and put it parallel with the yarns here on this side, and the other blue yarn from the margin I will put it parallel with the other yarns here. And I will follow this pattern to create the tie. I will take the pink yarn from this side and put it parallel with the other yarns on the other side, and the green yarn on this side I'll put it parallel with these yarns. And now we should close this tie. I will make a knot here on the upper part of my tie like this. And now I will turn the tie on the other side and I will make another knot like this. And now I can cut the tie. So let's make another knot just to make sure that it doesn't open. This way. And now I will take the scissors and cut the end of my tie. Like this. And this is the tie of the bracelet. Now I will put all the tools away and let's see our finished candy stripe bracelet. So this is the bracelet. In order to put the bracelet on the wrist, I will put the tie through the loop this way, and let's see what it looks like, our bracelet looks like on the wrist. I can also make a knot here to make sure that it does not open, like this. And this is the finished candy stripe bracelet. So I hope you liked this tutorial and thank you for watching.